or destinations unknown. Hidden deep in the heart of East Java lies the Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. Aptly named 1,000 Waterfalls, this breathtaking destination isn't just a sight to behold. It's an experience you'll never forget. It's a 3-hour journey from Malang through the scenic countryside, sleepy villages, and endless rice terraces. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of Mount Semeru erupting, Java's tallest and most active volcano. The distant thunder of cascading water is the signal that you've arrived. It's a short 5-minute walk to the upper viewpoint. And then, there it is. A dramatic curtain of water spilling endlessly into the lush jungle abyss, creating one of Southeast Asia's most mesmerizing natural spectacles. It's a paradise for adventurers, nature lovers, and photographers alike. But if you crave adrenaline, the real adventure lies in the hike to the base. A steep descent of bamboo ladders, slippery ropes, and rushing streams makes every step an exhilarating challenge. But after an hour of near vertical trekking, the reward is pure magic. The sheer scale and deafening roar of the falls will humble you. This isn't just a waterfall. It's a reminder of how powerful and breathtaking Mother Nature truly is. So whether you're a photographer chasing the perfect shot, a thrill seeker craving adventure, or simply a wanderer in search of nature's beauty, Tumpak Sewu is a place that will stay with you forever.